Alright, welcome back to Anarchy Bicycles. I start tearing down my Specialized, what I think is a 2000 Specialized Rockhopper A1 comp, maybe, from what I've been looking up online. It's got red and black paint job underneath this. I kind of scraped some paint away. That's what I think it is. I might build this into like a dirt jumper bike, cross country. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. Nothing's set in stone. So here's the tear down. Cracked open a shock top. Just kind of analyzing what's going on here. Obviously, going to throw all these crappy cables away. Never use these old rusty cables. It'll burn you. Oh, I rode the Trek multi-track to work today. Everything worked good. The gearing was a little too low for my liking. I had 32/18 on there, and I was just kind of whining out. 13 miles an hour was like my average speed for 13 miles or 14 miles. So let's tear this down. First things we're going to take off are the wheels. The little quick releases. Oh, so crusty and old. Well, not as bad as the Trek though. I was able to actually loosen these ones. Back tire. So we had on here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7-speed rear cassette. These single wall. Oh boy, there's duct tape on here as rim tape. Some of the things you find on old crusty bikes. It's always a mystery. I think this is a RockShox Jet. It might be an old Judy. I don't know. I think it's a Jet. I think that's what came on these bikes. Front quick release. Let's see what we got here. EXA Xage. I don't know. There's some kind of lower end aluminum rim. Cable. Alright. Take off the derailleur. 5mm. Dior LX. Ooh. Not too bad. But it's all crusty. Oh my goodness. Can barely spin that wheel. So that's pretty much junk. And I'll try to salvage it because it's fun to learn how things work. Tearing them down, building them up. Gotta snip this wire end off of here, or cable end. It's impeding my process. Very special cable cutters for that, but I don't use it. As always, toss all the old parts in the box. Save those cables. Might need them one day for something else. Pull the cable off, go all the way to the shifter. Let's see, we got Shimano STX RC shifter. Oh, it's an 8-speed. Huh, what did I say, 7? Well, at least the shifter's an 8-speed. Alright, now we're going to take off, looking from the back here, take off the front derailleur. Actually, we're going to take off the cable first. This one's a Shimano, it looks like an Atlas. Old parts. Should be a little easier to take this off. It's all wrapped around in there. Alright. Put that end off on there. Pull the cable up and out of there. Oh man. Found a Black Widow on this bike too. When I came out, I was like, uh-oh. Shaking hands with danger. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll make this cross country and then, I don't know, I got that other frame though. I got that Jamis frame that I planned on making a cross country bike, but I don't know, I like Specialized better. Superior product. Alright, so we got the rear brake disconnected. Now we can take off the arms. These are old Diacomp. At least they're V-brakes. They're not cantilever. They're a little bit better. Loosen these bad boys. Maybe I'll put some XTR V-brakes on here. That'd be cool. It'd be cool like Dino Brown. Yes, his single-speed hardtail. But I haven't decided. I could always, since I'm just a weirdo, I might end up welding on. This is aluminum, so TIG weld on disc brake mounts. I don't know. I like to do strange things just because I can. Cut off this. My nippers are getting dull. Uh-oh. Losing power. Pull off the old boot. Chuck that. Save the noodle and the hose. Pull the wire up. Get out. The brake we can disconnect. Pull out that old cable. Throw it away. Save your housing. As always, with some C-clamp. Oh, this is like a BMX post. Oh, this is on here. Jeez, that thing is in there. Oh, spray a little WD-40 down in there. And that'll help loosen things up. Give it a couple twists. Oh man. Oh, shove it back in there. The WD work its magic. Alright, take off the handlebars next. Just go right here and then. I am happy this is 1 1/8. That really opens up my suspension options for the front fork. I think I'm going to be picking up a fork from Bing on an STR for a knife and a little cash from Mountain Lion Defense Knife. It's not that little. But trade him old bars, old bull horns. Aluminum? No. Steel? I don't know what it is. Take all the components off of there later. Gotta strip all this damn pink orange paint off of here. Why you do this? Like Specialized because they're a good company, good name. Why the hell would you cover up their paint job and their stickers and their logo? I don't know, he's a fool. Same thing with this. I think it's RockShox, I don't know. Let's see. Looks like it's missing, feels like it's missing some bearings. Oh boy. I think you'd be able to hear that on the video. This thing is really rusty and crusty. Oh, it's even got an old star nut in there. Oh, so gross. Probably not going to use the shotgun, but I might. You never know. Never know. One never knows. Never say never. Alright, take off the washer. Well, the stem. Not the stem, the fork tube is clearly steel because everything's really rusty in here. So, loosen up the stem. Work it off, look past the rust, and slide her down. Yeah, this is old bearings, old race. It's all kind of rusty. Can you see the? I don't know if you can see the orange or not. But I'm pretty sure this is a. Oh my gosh, that is so stiff. I think I'm going to rebuild this. Just for the sake of tearing apart the shock and learning how it works. So, look forward to that. figure out what it is. Alright, we got this frame almost stripped down. A couple more things we need to do. To get this damn seat post out of here. I don't know how I'm going to get that sucker out of there. Take off this. Looks like an old U-bolt or U-clamp bike lock. Well, it has an S on it. Maybe Specialized made one, I don't know. Oh boy, I don't think I'm going to be able to. This is like rusted solid. The nuts are locked into place. They're just spinning in the plastic. So, we'll use a little horsepower. Now, warning. Turn down the volume, it'll get a little loud and annoying. Ooh, hold on. Let's put the beer over here. Try to keep the metal shavings to a minimum. But I'm not going to use those hardware again anyway, so you can just cut that off. There we go. I nicked the pan a little bit, but I'm going to take the pan off anyway. No big deal. U-bolt lock, I think. Pretty sure. Alright, take off the derailleur. Oh, look at that. Crusted on it. I think it's all that. Oh, this is where I saw that Black Widow. Scared myself. Don't want to get bit by that thing, man. It'd be very unpleasant, to say the least. There we go. I'll put it up on the way. Alright, for this seat post, I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, I got some channel locks here. I don't really want to mess with the seat post. I mean, I can't use it. Or I can use it, but I'm not going to use it. Let's see if we can't persuade it out of here. Persuasion. Why you jam this in this bike? This was a good cross-country bike in this day. There we go. Hoop, hoop. There she goes. I might have a seat post for this with a strap. I am very excited if this fits. Damn! No idea what bike takes this seat and seat post. I-beam configuration. It's a, I don't know, iSky SDG. If anybody out there in YouTube land needs this seat, I'll mail it to you. You can pay for the shipping. I don't have a use for it. I got it for free. I'll pass it on for free, you know, to anybody that wants it. Let's see, what other seat tubes do I have? Oh, I got the Bontrager one that might fit in there. Pop off the clamp there. What else can we take off? Oh, take out the old headset business. 1 1/8". Like I said, I'm happy that that's what is in there. Oh, not going to use this headset again, so like I did with the, oh man, all this stuff is going to fall down. Like I did with the, what the hell build was that? Oh, it's the jam. Tear it out. This is how I'm going to remove the, sounds like steel. Not going to hurt that. This one was a real pain on that other bike. I really don't want to hit my car. Oh! really don't want to hit my toes. That's my real main concern here. Smacking myself with the oh, it's starting to come. Ow, little blood blister. These anyway. Just trying to get him off of here. A snail just fell off with my bike. I'm not sure where he resided. Now he's falling. Alright. One more whack on it. Get this out. Nope. There we go. Alright. There's a strip down of everything except. Oh man. Fix my post there. Bottom bracket. Alright, we got our BVT 22 by Park Tools. I don't know if you can maybe see it. It's got the spine on there because this is the this is not the Holotech type. This is the older style. Well, not older, cheaper. Oh my goodness. This may be way in there. I hit this with lots of WD-40. Hope it gets freed up. Really good chance that it won't. So, let's see. Trying to loosen it up here. This is not really working out. Seems so crusted together. I'm hoping I can get this out. Fighting the elements on this one. Really need a good stand for this, which I don't have here. Spoiled working on bikes at the shop. Oh man, that sucker. Let's see if we can get this side to loosen at all. There's cobwebs all over this bike, and I keep thinking it's a Black Widow. Oh, jeez. I'm going to be able to get this thing out of there. I need to take this to the shop. I'm going to have better tools and a better stand. Oh man. Well, that's part one of the specialized, let's call it a Rockhopper A1 comp. There's the strip down for that, so stay tuned to see what happens next if I can get that bottom bracket out. Remember, Anarchy Bicycles, stick it to the man whenever you can.